Great for this adventure? It was painful. And we want to pick the best days to hike.
It's not this weather.
But it's not today for sure. Hey, nice tent.
It's a very nice tent. But it's like for backpacking. So. Pretty cool. Pretty tight, but here we are, we're in it. Can you sit up? Can you put your legs all the way out? Here, I'm holding the corner out for you till I get staked. You and me. And here. It's hard to tell without staking it out.
That's a little tight.
Look, I have a built-in reflector.
How you feeling about all this?
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah. It's trying to run us over. Great for this adventure?
Yeah.
It was painful.
What happened?
I have a pulled muscle and it hurts. But it's okay.
I fell asleep
You got to use my pillow. Show your new pillow.
and I used his fancy pillow. That's it.
You tired?
Yes.
What sleep did you get?
4 hours.
Put my mask straight. Does it look straight to you? Can't tell. Hardly see it. It's camouflaged or something. I think it's straight. I think I'm asymmetrical. You ready for the hitchhiking leg?
Mm-hmm.
You ready to be done traveling?
Mm-hmm. We just started.
It's exhausted. First walk in Hamburg.
It's so beautiful. I love it.
Everything's so clean.
Very clean. We've only gotten yelled at once.
Yeah, we got in the elevator with somebody. He didn't like us.
He didn't like us. It was like Americans. I'm so happy.
What happened?
I bought too many apples, but the lady was like really cute and really old. So now we have to eat all of them. And then we bought cheese with dried flowers on the cheese because it's fancy, and something delicious in here.
Yeah. What do you think?
It's so beautiful. I love it. We're in a park in Hamburg, and we're in the Dhalia Park.
Every one of these is a Dhalia.
That's what the sign said.